What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Snack Time. I just wanted to update you guys real quick on my little side project that I kind of vibe coded, the NullVault thing. I added something really cool that I think you guys are going to dig. So this is really going to help you narrow down the location of whoever's clicking on your links. So this is the GitHub repository right here. I do have a test site already spun up, and what I want to show you something that's totally wild. So say we wanted to trick somebody into revealing their location, but we wanted to kind of get as precise location information as possible. So let's say, a scammer has reached out and said, I need you to give me this information or that information. Okay, well, that's fine. I'm just going to say secret password, and we're going to generate this link. And when it generates, it's going to give us our control panel and QR code and public link. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And we went through this in the previous video, but I've added something special. So under, I've added a tracking, and I've also added this settings right here. So you can give it a note, you can send it to a webhook, whatever. But the one that I'm especially proud of is this require location to reveal. So if we check that, it says location required enablement or enabled. So we go back to our link and we copy our public. And if we paste it in here, so like already you're going to be getting some information. You're going to be getting some information about where this person's coming from, right? So we already have one view, and we're picking up like a different, like an exact, not exact, but a pretty close location as far as where this person's coming from. We're getting their IP address and IP address information, but that may not be enough for us. So maybe we want to be a little bit more precise. So whenever we go to reveal secret, it's going to ask us to send additional information. So if the threat actor says, or the scammer says, no, I don't want to send that, then it's going to say, well, sorry, location verification is required. Scan this with your phone in order for you to look at the secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my phone, and I'm going to scan this QR code, and I'm going to click on the URL. And it's going to ask me, and when I hit reveal secret, it's going to ask me this. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to say, hey, do you want to send your location? So we're going to go and say, just allow this time. And so it shows me the secret on my phone now that I've allowed that to happen. But if we go back to our control panel, we can refresh and we can check out the timeline. And so now we have the secret revealed and we have GPS locations. So we can click on this and it will open up a new window, and it will show you exactly the location that is showing up in the GPS from the phone. So that is like precise, like locational information as far as where's this person coming from. So assuming they were coming from this house, you would know almost exactly what room they're in. It's so accurate. But if we go back here, I want you to take a look at something. If we go under our track, what it's doing is it's sending out a constant ping. As long as this web page is open on their phone, it's going to be like requesting the GPS location. Now, it's not refreshing the page, but it is kind of sending out a beacon to this site. So every single time they move around, if they leave this open and they start driving on the road, it's going to show up that the location is changing. So this is obviously not my location. It is locked into a specific coordinates, so it's not going to move around that much. But if it was receiving GPS coordinates from your phone, then this would be shifting. The numbers would be changing a little bit every so often. So definitely something cool there. But just wanted to show you kind of what had really changed. If you have anything that you want to throw into this, you're always welcome to clone this and use Claude to modify it. Or if there's something you would like me to see if I can put in there, please let me know. But just wanted to let you guys know of that little change, which I thought was really impressive. It also might help you if you're trying to demonstrate what kind of information is being sent when you do agree to that. So have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.